So here we have this object. It's got a couple different methods. Yours should have say hi, and then it should have something else. It can say whatever else you want, basically. But what do you do with them? Now that you have this class of what we're saying is an object, well, we need to make use of it. And so you can't just do, the computer doesn't know how to just like go and find, the compiler doesn't know how to just go and find all these things for you and make them do things. You've got to have sort of a starting point. And the starting point, if you are new to Java, but sorry if you're familiar with all this, and I would like you to type this in, is what we call the main method. Public static void main string args, and this just is something that you should memorize right now. It'll start making more and more sense as you go further into programming. But this is the one place that the compiler knows to look, and this is the start of all of the different commands that you'll issue to the computer. And so our first command is going to be to build a new object of this type, and we're going to do that over in the main method where the computer is actually going to be able to execute the code. So to create a new object, you type the type of object you would create. In our case, it's always the class name, my object. Then you give it a name, and we're just going to call this O1 or object1. Let's do letters so you can really see it. Is a new my object, a new object of that type, and we just make a call to the constructor method here. And you just kind of have to learn that this is the way, this is the syntax in Java about how you create objects of any type. So you say the type, then the unique name that you can just make up, and you say that equals a new object of type my object, and you have to use the open and close parentheses just like you do for any method, and that tells it to execute this, which, you know, there's nothing here, but the compiler knows to create one of this type that has these abilities and that you can then make use of, which we'll do in the next video.